I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook easy over eggs. Start by gathering your simple ingredients: 1 or 2 large eggs, a tablespoon of butter or oil, and salt and pepper. Select a good non-stick pan, about 8 to 10 inches wide, for optimal cooking. Place your pan on the stove and heat it gently over medium-low heat. This ensures your butter or oil melts perfectly without scorching, setting the stage for delicious eggs. Once your pan is warm, add 1 tablespoon of butter or oil and let it melt or shimmer. Carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the pan, ensuring the yolks remain intact. Let them cook undisturbed for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they are ready for the next step when the egg whites are mostly firm, but the beautiful yolk is still wonderfully runny. Now for the crucial part, the flip. Carefully slide a thin, flexible spatula underneath the egg. With a quick, confident motion, gently flip the egg over to the other side. Cook it for just an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute. This brief cooking time ensures the yolk remains wonderfully soft and runny, giving you that perfect easy-over consistency every time. Once cooked to your liking, carefully remove the easy-over eggs from the pan with your spatula. Immediately season them with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to enhance their flavor. Serve your perfectly prepared easy-over eggs on a slice of warm toast, alongside crispy bacon, or with any of your favorite breakfast accompaniments. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.